Hello and welcome to this video where I talk through some of the changes that have taken place on the platform regarding courses. So when you log on to the Dr. Frost platform, you may have already found that when you go set a task and you go by topic, then when you're now browsing skills, you'll see that you've got this area here to do with school courses, and there's a prompt to manage your school courses. So this is where we're going to be looking at today, just to see how you can add courses so that they appear in this list. If you choose not to add courses, that's fine. You will still have access to the Dr. Frost All Skills area. And now this is our comprehensive list of all of the different skills we have across all of the age ranges and different exam boards and specifications compiled into one large list. Our hope is that schools will actually go into the Manage Schools area, put a few courses here that are relevant for them and the students that they're teaching so that they can browse with more ease and efficiency. So to get going, if you click Manage School Courses, it's going to take you into our courses area. Just so you know, at later stages on the platform, if you ever need to come back to this page from the menu, then it's really straightforward. You just go Menu, Courses, and that will take you to the page that I'm currently on as well. So if you've ever used courses on Dr. Frost, they will already appear in this space here. For me, it just says that I've got 10 courses that are under development, and that's referring to courses that I've started building. If you're interested in building your own school courses to reflect your schemes of learning, then you can look at some of the other videos that I've made to help you with that. For now, we're just going to look at going into the exam boards and publishers area and taking a course that has been made by us on Dr. Frost. So when you click in there, you'll be able to see the different publishers that we've got here, and then you can click in at any stage and start to explore it further. So for me, perhaps I'm going to go into the England National Curriculum. I just press go, and then I can choose a particular key stage that I want. So perhaps I'm going to take key stage 3. And now at this point, I can see what the outline of the course is. I'm not going to do this in this video, but you're welcome to click inside and see the different skills then that are making up each of these particular units. But when you're happy that it's going to be useful for you and your teachers, then you just go to the Use and you click on that. And at this stage, that now means that this is going to appear in that browsing feature when we're browsing skills by topic. At this stage, you can add it to different classes. So it might be the case that I wanted to add it to all of the classes from year 7 to year 9. I'm just going to add it to my test class at this stage. When I submit and I've added it to a class, what that's done is it's now put that course on the students' dashboard when they log on to Dr. Frost, with the idea that that's going to just help promote their independent practice and give them the chance to be able to find these skills more easily as well. Let's go back to the dashboard and now see how that's looking. So now when I go to set a task and I go by topic, then I can see that key stage 3 national curriculum is there for me to click into. And now I've just got a smaller list that I'm working through where all of the skills here are only relevant to the skills taught at key stage 3 in England. So I could quite easily go back into the courses area, either directly from Manage Courses, or as I've just done there, Menu Courses. I can now see also Key Stage 3 is appearing here. I can click back into the exam boards and publishers, and I can take any of these other different exam boards. So just to give a feel for some more things, if I go into GCSE Mathematics Higher, I can use that one. You don't have to assign it to classes if you don't want to, and then we can jump back into exam boards and publishers and take a few more. Just for the sake of demonstration. Okay, so now all of those courses are going to appear when I browse, so we can just double check, set a task by topic, and the 3 that I've just added on are going to appear. So my point here is that actually perhaps just one teacher needs to do this for the school, and then one teacher adds on, what might it be, 6, 7, 8 courses for the faculty, and then the job's done. What individual teachers might like to do themselves is to then go and look at their classes and just add those courses to their relevant classes. So Menu, Classes and Settings, all of my courses are ready, and now for a particular class I might want to check if they've got a course. So in my test class, for example, I can see what course they've got when I go up to the assigned courses, and I can see they've got the Key Stage 3 course there. I can click on Key Stage 3 and it will pop up with all of the other courses that my school's using. So if I wanted to also assign them to the entry level 2 course, then I could. If I changed my mind and I didn't want them to be assigned to anything, then I can just untick that like so. So it's quite straightforward in terms of managing your own classes and the courses that they've got. If we go to another class, my new class here, at this stage, this is a class that currently doesn't have a course assigned to them, and I'm going to click in there and I could pop them on the GCSE Mathematics Higher course. Okay, so that's the basics of getting those courses assigned to your school and then also assigning them to your classes, so that's going to help browsing to be easier. Please have a look at my videos for how you can build courses, and also there's going to be a video for how students can use the courses to promote independent study. So if you're interested in watching over those, please do.